Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: What is environmental economics? Environmental economics is a subfield of economics concerned with the efficient allocation of environmental resources. It examines the economic impacts of environmental policies and the costs and benefits of environmental changes. Environmental economics seeks to understand how economic activities and policies affect the environment and how environmental processes impact the economy. The core of environmental economics lies in addressing the fundamental issue of scarcity, especially concerning natural resources and the ecosystem services they provide. These resources and services are often public goods, meaning that they are non-excludable and non-rivalrous, leading to issues such as overuse and degradation. One of the primary challenges in environmental economics is addressing externalities, which are unintended side effects of economic activities that affect third parties. For instance, pollution from a factory can harm the health of nearby residents, yet the factory does not directly bear the costs of this pollution. This misalignment of costs and benefits results in market failure, where the market on its own does not allocate resources efficiently. Environmental economists study these externalities and develop policies to internalize these costs, ensuring that those who generate negative externalities bear the full costs of their actions. A significant concept in environmental economics is the idea of market-based instruments for environmental regulation. These include tools like carbon taxes and tradable permits. Carbon taxes impose a fee on the carbon content of fossil fuels, thereby incentivizing reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. Tradable permits, on the other hand, set a cap on the total level of emissions and allow companies to buy and sell permits to emit within this cap. Both approaches aim to use market signals to reduce environmental harm cost-effectively. Research has shown that MBIs can achieve environmental targets more efficiently than traditional command and control regulations. Valuation of environmental goods and services is another critical area within environmental economics. Many environmental benefits, such as clean air and water, biodiversity, and scenic beauty, do not have a market price. Environmental economists develop methods to estimate the economic value of these non-market goods. Techniques like contingent valuation, which uses surveys to ask people their willingness to pay for specific environmental benefits, and hedonic pricing, which examines how environmental factors affect market prices, are commonly used. These valuation methods are essential for cost-benefit analysis, helping policymakers make informed decisions about environmental regulations and projects. Moreover, environmental economics addresses the concept of sustainable development, which aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This concept integrates economic, social, and environmental dimensions, emphasizing that long-term economic growth depends on the sustainable use of natural resources and the protection of ecosystems. Policies promoting sustainable development often involve investing in renewable energy, improving energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable agricultural practices. Empirical evidence supports the economic benefits of investing in environmental sustainability. For example, a study by the United Nations Environment Program found that every dollar invested in the restoration of degraded ecosystems can yield up to $30 in economic benefits. Furthermore, the transition to a green economy can create new job opportunities in sectors such as renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable agriculture. The notion of the green economy underscores the idea that environmental protection and economic growth are not mutually exclusive, but can be mutually reinforcing. Climate change is a paramount issue within environmental economics, given its profound and far-reaching implications for the global economy. Economists analyze the economic impacts of climate change, including the costs of inaction and the benefits of mitigation and adaptation measures. The Stern Review on the Economics of Climate Change, published in 2006, highlighted that the costs of addressing climate change are much lower than the costs of dealing with its impacts. This report has significantly influenced global climate policy, emphasizing the economic rationale for early and decisive action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Environmental economists also study the distributional effects of environmental policies, ensuring that these policies are equitable and just. This includes examining how environmental harms and benefits are distributed across different socioeconomic groups, and ensuring that vulnerable populations are not disproportionately affected. For instance, low-income communities often bear a higher burden of environmental pollution and have less access to environmental amenities. Policies aimed at environmental justice seek to address these disparities, ensuring that all people have equal access to a healthy environment. In addition to these core areas, environmental economics intersects with various other disciplines, including ecology, public policy, and international relations. This interdisciplinary approach is crucial for addressing complex global environmental challenges that transcend national boundaries, such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and ocean pollution. International cooperation and agreements, such as the Paris Agreement on Climate Change, are essential for tackling these issues, and environmental economists play a key role in designing and evaluating these international policies. In conclusion, environmental economics provides essential tools and frameworks for understanding and addressing the complex interactions between the economy and the environment. By valuing environmental goods and services, internalizing externalities, promoting sustainable development, and ensuring equitable distribution of environmental benefits, environmental economics seeks to achieve a balance between economic growth and environmental protection. The field's insights are crucial for designing effective and efficient environmental policies that can lead to a sustainable and prosperous future. As environmental challenges continue to grow in scale and urgency, the role of environmental economics in shaping policy and guiding decision-making will become increasingly important. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.